Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Go to search bar and open Google Chrome file location. Okay, now here we will get Chrome file. Right click on it and select on rename and name it as Chrome 1, and we need to create a shortcut on desktop, so follow these steps. Now close this window. Now go to search bar and type here cmd, run it as administrator, and now type these commands carefully to avoid mistakes. This command you will get in the description below. Just copy from there and paste it here. Execute all commands one by one. After that, close the command prompt. Again, go to search bar and type here settings. Click here, go to network and internet. Click on advanced settings, select network reset and click on reset now. Okay, now you need to restart your system and try to open your Google Chrome. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.